Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you yet another package inside React.js which allows you to do this front-end pagination. So this time the name of the package is react-js-pagination. So it is somewhat using Bootstrap as well. So Bootstrap will also be required for this. So we imported the CSS file of Bootstrap. So in this example you can see we are looping through the images. We are displaying 6 images across 3 pages. So on each page we are showing the 2 images, and when I navigate to the second page I show the next 2 images. So these are the pagination controls you can see right here. The page is highlighted and we have these previous page controls as well. So if you go to npmjs.com, just search for this package which is react-js-pagination. This is the name of the package. I've already installed it. So this is actually the command here. It's almost got 33,000 weekly downloads. So now to get started, just make a simple functional component and you just need to import this package. So I just say import pagination from react.js pagination, and then you also need to import Bootstrap as well, CSS file. So you just need to also install the Bootstrap module as well. So npm I bootstrap. After that you can include this. And now we will be looping through the images. So my images are stored inside the assets directory. So 6 images are there. So I can easily import them using the import statement. So imported the 6 images. After that, now in the state, we need some state variables. So first of all, the images array. So one by one, I will paste all these images. So after this, we will also say how many images you want to display per page. So I will say 2. And then we also need a variable for keeping track of the active page. So initial value will be 1. We will be on the first page when we load the application. Now we need to declare some 3 variables, namely the index of last image, first page, and the current images. So what this mean in pagination? Inside pagination you want to calculate the index of the last image shown and the first image. So we basically do it using this simple mathematical formula, and then we inside these current images, based upon your page number, we are returning the images. So let's suppose you are on the first page. If you are configuring to only show 2 images per page, so the index becomes 0 to 2, and then on the second page it will become 2 to 4, and then on the third page it will become 4 to 6. So for this also we are using the slice function, which is a JavaScript function. So now after having all these variables, now we come to the JSX. Here we need to actually display the pagination controls, but before that we need to loop through all the images. So we will simply inside this diff section, so I will say current images, and I will use the map operator image index, and for each image I will inside this image tag I need to pass some the key parameter, which will be index, source will be the actual image, and then we will just give it a style to each image, which is the width and the height, border radius as well. So I will just copy these 3 CSS properties. So if you try to refresh your application, you will see 2 images being displayed because we are on the first page. So now for embedding this pagination component, we will just make it in the center position. So I will just give it a display property of flex and justify content to be center, just to center this, and then we use our component and it takes some parameters. First of all, the active page. So you have declared this variable. Then the items count per page. So this is how many items you want to display per page. So we have this variable. Total items count. This means how many total images that you want to display. So we have this images array. So we'll calculate the length. So page range displayed. I will say 5 pages I want to display at most. Then we also need to bind this item class, which is a plugin class, page item, and link class, page link. So these are two classes supported by the plugin, which will do the styling for us. So if you refresh now, you will see these pagination controls, but I can't navigate to the second page. For that, we need to bind an attribute which is on change, which is supported by this plugin. So whenever you go to a certain page, I will just bind an on click listener here, handle page change. So just make some break tag here, right here. So right here we'll be declaring this function handle page change, and inside this we just call the set active page to that desired page. So if you navigate now, the pagination is working. You will see that. So in this way, you can implement this package for pagination in React.js. So if you need the full source code, the link is given in the description. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please visit my website freemediatools.com if you want free tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.